Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel! Today, we're diving deep into something that's a total game changer for anyone who works on marine engines. Whether you're a seasoned pro at a busy shop or a serious DIY enthusiast, we're talking about the Texamarine diagnostic tool. Stick around, because you're going to want to see what this beast can do. So, what exactly is the Texamarine system? Put simply, it's one of the most advanced and comprehensive multi-brand diagnostic scanners on the market today, specifically for the marine world. I'm not just talking about one or two brands here. The coverage is absolutely massive. We're looking at full support for the big players like Yamaha Marine, Mercury, and CD. But it doesn't stop there. It also covers Honda Marine, Suzuki, Kawasaki, jet skis, the powerful Volvo Penta engines, and a whole lot more. The list just goes on and on. This means you don't need 5 different scanners cluttering up your toolbox. One tool can genuinely do it all, saving you time, money, and a ton of headaches. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what this tool actually does. Of course, it handles the basics flawlessly. You can pull and clear engine codes in seconds. Is there a check engine light on? Plug this in, and you'll know exactly why. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The real power of the TEXA tool is in its ability to display live data. I mean everything. You can monitor crucial engine parameters in real time. Want to see the exact reading from every single temperature sensor on the engine? No problem. Curious about the oil pressure while the engine is running? It's right there on the screen. Need to check the fuel pressure to diagnose a performance issue? Done. Whew. This live data stream is incredibly detailed. You can watch RPMs, throttle position, ignition timing, and so much more. This level of insight is what separates guessing from diagnosing. You can see what the engine's computer is seeing, which allows you to pinpoint problems with incredible accuracy, instead of just throwing parts at an issue and hoping for the best. This is exactly why professional marine repair shops all over the world rely on TEXA. It's built for pros who need reliable, detailed information to get the job done right the first time. But let's talk about the advanced features, because this is where the TEXA system really pulls away from the competition. We're moving beyond simple code reading and into true, high-level diagnostics. For example, have you ever suspected a faulty fuel injector but had no way to be sure? With the TEXA tool, you can perform an injector balance test. This function lets you test each injector individually to see if it's performing correctly. You can identify a weak or clogged injector without having to pull them all out. This feature alone can save you hours of diagnostic time. And that's just one example. Depending on the engine you're connected to, you can perform all sorts of bidirectional tests and special functions. You might be able to actuate solenoids, test fuel pumps, perform cylinder cutout tests, and even reset maintenance reminders. These are the kinds of functions that were previously only available through expensive, dealer-level software. TEXA brings that power to the independent shop and the advanced user. It gives you the capability to perform complete and thorough marine diagnostics, from routine service to complex troubleshooting. In summary, the Texamarine diagnostic tool is the ultimate all-in-one solution. Its massive brand coverage, from Yamaha and Sea-Doo to Volvo, Penta, and Kawasaki, is unmatched. The ability to read codes, view incredibly detailed live data streams like temperature, oil pressure, and fuel pressure, and perform advanced functions like injector balance tests puts it in a class of its own. It's a serious investment, but for a professional shop, the return on that investment is immediate. You'll be able to service more brands, diagnose problems faster, and increase your shop's efficiency and profitability. It's the tool that empowers you to tackle any job that comes through the door with confidence. That's a wrap for our look at the Texamarine tool. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. And for more deep dives into the best tools and tech in the industry, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.